baby. Hi. Hello. How are you? This right here is the Pairiest of Winkles, and he is so cute. What's up, everybody? How we doing? What am I doing? Oh, do you know what I did not do? I have not put any makeup on, guys. This is me. In all my glory. Enjoy.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Ba-bam. Beans! Up! How's it going? Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm gonna take the new weekly. What the heck? I see. You don't need coffee. You definitely don't need coffee. Evero, I have not even been trading for 2 years. Nearly 1 year. We're coming up to 1 year of trading, people. How exciting. 1 year on their marky market. Oh, I wish you guys could see. He's looking all sad and resting his chin. I don't know. I feel like I did something wrong. Oh, okay. Apparently I didn't. Java Tea Point.
Oh, what is that?
Okay. Are we ready? Steady. Bardino, sorry, I didn't even see your message. How are you? How are you? So, I see Asia moved pretty decently, actually. I see we have relative equal highs here as well. Let's do all of our markings. Okay, let's start with... Yeah. Okay, so New York high. Basically also relative equal highs, so that's cool. Let me mark out Asia high as well first before I start messing with things. Oh, it's also kind of relative there. Interesting. And Asia, damn, Asia moved a lot. What the heck, man? Asia moved a lot. Please don't mean that London's now gonna be meh. Hey, ICT Imp, what's up? How are we doing? How goes? How goes? I'll put this just there. Make this one equal highs, just so that I know that, I mean, that's a very juicy spot right there. That's what that is. Okay, I think that's actually everything. Kind of. Wait, let me close this for a second. So close that for a second. Let's check out the new daily opening. Ah, we do indeed have a little new daily opening gap. It's cute. It's adorable. It's the wrong thing that I just clicked like a chop. There we go. Meow. Here's new daily opening gap. Wow, just completely disrespected it there. That's low-key rude. Okay, then the last thing is midnight. Then we'll do top to bottom analysis. I don't know why I said it like that, but we're going with analysis. Midnight. Here we go. Okay, midnight open. Okay. Cool. Hey, Atlanta, what's up? Are we ready for today? Anyone that's just hopped on?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
How's everybody doing? Okay. Let's do our quick top to bottom analysis as well. What am I doing? That's what I'm doing. Sorry, as you can see, the brain cells need to kick in. I have not had any coffee. Maybe that's the problem right there. Let's do daily. Oh, all right then. Oh, snap. Took out those. So we're going to see a potential reversal now. I would expect to see a retest, but you know. Chillin' taking it super easy. That's good though. We have news today, hey? I feel like there's always news. This week is full of news. Oh, damn, yes. And there's jolts later. Okay. This is going to be very interesting. Let's see what happens then. Okay, so daily, like I said, I keep expecting a retest. It keeps not happening. So. Good morning, David. What's up? For our... Such a way to get people to wake up. Like, I understand, but... I get it, I get it. Tapped in there. I really thought it would go higher. Apparently not. Okay, and 1 hour. What's that, David? Shout out to David. Shout out, you get your own fireworks for that. Do you think we're going towards 235? Probably. Instead of you turn it down to 4 weeks from now. Oh, thank you. Okay. 15 minutes. I cannot believe the freaking push that Asia had. Seriously. Okay. I hope London's not then just accumulation. It might be. London might just then be accumulation, but it is what it is. It's hard to say. Do we drive or go back up? That's exactly. It's in a bit of a weird state right now. This could just continue dropping all the way back down, or this could start doing the retracement. Or retest. I've been waiting for it to retest. It's been like that for the last couple days. Atlanta, not bad. I had a little break even. So, you know, I didn't want to brag or anything, but I did make $1.60. You know, I was trying my best to not brag about it, but, you know. Okay, and do the one. Oh, and look at that. 1 minute to go before London Open. Impressive? Why? Oh, yeah, I know. It is very impressive, and like I said, I try not to brag, but, you know. Hey, Beachman! We're still in this. I don't know how. We're still hanging in this. Sell first, then pump hard to catch and... Oh, interesting. Okay, GS, you think it's gonna sell first. Oh, interesting. End up pushing activity. Stop bragging. I try, but you know, I try. Keep it up. Okay, that's what she said. I got you.
That's what she said.
Okay, here's 3 AM. Gosh, today is hot. Ruby Geek, what's up? How are you doing? If I keep getting like up and down, it's because my neighbor is moving out. So they're gonna be making noise. But yeah, then I keep getting like, I don't know. I just have to keep checking that it's them. This 11-year-old, I'm scrolling him. Oh, hey Tom Tom, what's up? How you doing? How has it been going? Okay, here's 3 AM open. Teeny tiny but stuck in a range here. Give me 2 seconds, guys. I'm gonna wait for one more thing. Sorry, trying to sort out things. Then I could just keep going. I'm looking for a retest, but it might not come. But how much did I place? Oh, I placed very little. I placed 1 contract. Oh gosh. No, GS, I keep looking for a retest. I literally keep looking for a retest, but it just never happens. It's a little bit mean. I'm guessing there is a bit, not a lot, but kind of looks like it's not tradable for me though. Interesting, chill dude. Well, I'm gonna wait and see. I see we're kind of in an accumulation stage at the moment. But it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. Let's see if it does do something other than go sideways. That would be amazing. If it's gonna go sideways, I'm gonna be sad. Hey, hi live. Hi live, have an amazing one. Like both streams and you're gonna have winners. Oh, you know what? That is what I have been forgetting to do. Maybe I needed to start liking both and then I'll start getting winner chicken dinners. Maybe that's what I've been missing this whole time. If you like the streams, y'all get winner chicken dinners. Ask High Life. He doth agree. He doth declare. I don't know why I'm saying doth and declare. It was also fun learning what doff your cap meant. Do you guys know what doff your cap meant? I did not, and I was like, oh, that makes sense. I know, I am terrible. I need to be better. I'm so sorry. It feels weird liking your own stream. Hey, meow, story time. Which pet Nasdaq futures? How you want to distribute chicken dinners? I love that. I love that so much. Hey, Muddy, how you doing? Hi, live. I know, I need to be better. This is, you know, Hi, life. This kind of makes sense now. This makes sense.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Duff your cap. You know, like you heard, I do doff my cap to you, my lady. It's when you like do that with your hat. You duff your cap. I don't, or your hat or whatever. Maddie, how you been? Explorer. Can you get a shout out? I just said, hey, oh, does that count? Last one turned on 10k today, trading for 1 month. Finally, I've done it. Yeah. Well done. Maddie, I hear that. Maddie, don't ask how, but somehow I'm still on this funded account. I am determined to not let it die. Oh my gosh. Atlanta, you're from America. America. Nice. What's trading? Trading the Nasdaq futures. A little high. Hey, Life Sound, how you doing? Never heard that a second in my life. Like Shakespeare? Have you never like read Shakespeare or had to do Shakespeare for school or something? We had to do Shakespeare for school all the time. Romeo and Juliet. Freaking, not Hamlet. Well, I missed Hamlet. Which was Macbeth? Out, damn spot. No? So I bite my thumb at there. It's basically giving the middle finger, but back in the day, people just used to bite their thumbs. I don't know why. We start trading in a new account from 1st of April. No. How high do you think we're gonna pump? Because the 10-year is retracing. IMT. Christian Zeldin, what the? That was a lot of words. Oh, thank you, buddy. Vasu, can you please teach me your strategy? Vasu? Why? I mean, I can. I'm getting ready for another day of emotional turmoil on the old MES. I hear that. I mean, so far we're going sideways. Does that count? I feel like that counts. I just found out that institutional traders only have 45% win rate with higher RR. I'm questioning myself. Chill, dude, what's yours? What's your win rate? Nice, Muddy. How's Kara doing? I played Martin Luther King's Cool Guys. There we go. There we go. Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? Because you're hot as hell. No? Come on, that would be hilarious. Hey, Atlanta, MNQ. M for monkey, N for Nelly, Q for quack. I don't know the correct thingies. Oh, thank you, thank you. Where are the toesies? Like I said, it's actually too hot. Like, I'm happy that I'm drinking coffee because I need coffee. But in the same breath, it's low-key too hot to be drinking coffee, but there's nothing else I can do. Oh my gosh, come on! Do you think people are still confused with the daylight savings? Do you think this is round 2 of yesterday? People still don't know about daylight savings. So maybe we're only going to start seeing movement after 4. Because this sucks. This has literally gone nowhere. For 8 whole minutes. Yo, go and prove me wrong. Hey, Miss Cherry Coco, how you doing? Who cares about win rates as long as you make money? Here we go. What you need to only get it right 4 out of 10 times, guys. Okay, 5. Need to be definitely. And it'll start making sense. Doesn't make sense though. I think things are big flipped. Oh, are bit flipped. What do you mean by that? In America, it's Mike November Quebec. I mean, that's probably the right one. I was like, yeah, it's the first thing that pops into my head. When you said daylight savings, I got hungry for some reason. Was your brain like, ah, yes, daylight food, yes. Hey, Tam, am I looking for sells or buys? My man, I'm looking for this to move in any direction that's not sideways. That's it. I ain't looking for anything until we get movement that is not in a horizontal freaking direction. 2, 3, 5, 7, 4. TP. I call it daylight tradings. I mean, you know what? I'm not wrong. I'm not right, but I'm not wrong. What? You think it's going all the way up there, Muddy? Tippy? Time scales you favor for trade and you throw the ball. Mine is only 48 with adjustable RR. That's not bad though. Are you bull or bear? Explorer? Like I said, I am neutral right now. DW logo, what's up? 20 years in the US Army. It's great, but I like yours better. Thank you, MJ. Oh, flip. You have to make it fun, right? Oh no! I messed it up. Do you know what it is? Was it Louis that said it and I laughed so much? MNQ stands for Maya Never Quits. I want down first. I'm feeling along today. Do you think the log's gonna happen during New York though? Or now during London? I think I'll be selling. Oh damn, buddy, okay. 23318 TP. What, back up to the midnight open? That's a shout. But everything kind of indicates that it's wanting to push down for a little bit of a little push. Could be wrong, maybe it wants to come, maybe it wants to tap back down into VWAP and then go back up. That's also an idea. Is it gonna happen though? What's up, Boom? Hi! What am I wearing? I'm wearing a shirt and my hippie jeans. Green Globe, what? Good morning, brightest future. How you doing? I think New York Long is the play. I think Midnight Open will bring her back up. I think down tap then boom. Just long oil and old. Yeah, well here we go. This might be it. Might get a little bit down. Like I said, maybe we'll tap back into VWAP and then we get some movement. Here we go. Two more minutes until a new 15-minute candle. New York gonna retrace, London gonna sell. Hey Juju Fitness, what's up? We swept a September low, short-term bullish recovery to the daily version. Fake value gap. Fake value gap. To be fair, I was looking at this going, this kind of low-key looks... So I'm pulling a face because I don't like where the entry is. Entry a little bit lower would be better. Let's see if we get this move. That's a big push. That was a very big push, good grief. Aw, pity. I said if we get confirmation that we're going, then this is the way that we go. Not allowing you have a good entry, if not I was going to retrace to you otherwise. What do you mean top of the bear candle? Muddy? 23318. You okay, so Atlanta, you still think this is going back up to midnight? Hey, Ronnie, what's up? I'm hoping London sells off into New York. Invalidate my monthly thesis, but it would still be valid if London sells back down before New York opens. Oh, interesting, Shaki. Yeah, Asia was a little bit intense. I wonder if month's gonna open and close like starts the April Fool's pub. Damn, I forgot tomorrow's April Fool's. Oh, tomorrow is April Fool's, guys. That's cool. Yes. No? No, it wouldn't be top of the bear candle. It would be where I have it here. Top of the bill. Decent seller, am I wrong? Let's see. Easter weekend too. Yeah, that doesn't mean much to me. The charts are still open, right? Easter. Right? Right? My birthday soon. You just reminded me. Ah, when is your birthday? Closed on, like, completely closed or closed from what time? Carlos. Ah, thank you, decisive Deb. I think she dropped a little here, but I wasn't shortening it. But I think she's gonna head back towards midnight open. Oh my gosh, Atlanta, what are you gonna do? Party. No? It makes a fake breakout 23251 high. Then I'll try to look for a trade, but it looks like it's gonna be on New York. You don't want to know. I kind of do now. If people say you don't want to know, I instantly want to know. Like a sell in New York looking like a buy. Atlanta, you're okay. Your channel would be banned because of the plans you have. I have so many questions. Look at that. How good. I did say I wanted this entry further down. I wanted entry there. Maybe I should just start moving my entry where I wanted. Pity. Oh well. Pity. Let's see what happens now. Thanks, Maddie. Nothing sick, but yeah. Listen, as long as you're having fun, it does not matter. I think that's the important thing. As long as you're having fun, who cares?
Nice.
Alright, that's what you want. You want it to just be a nice, good old time. Okay. He ate a fly. Atlanta every day. Every day I'm shuffling. Ew, that's an old song. Shoot. Would have liked to have seen this gone further down. Ah, here's the new weekly. But it tapped into VWAP on ES now. We're gonna get the continuation down. End up flipping tapped into VWAP on ES. I would kind of be keen on taking this right now. Hey Toto, how you? Tutu. Toto, why did I get Toto? We're not in Kansas anymore. Funny episode for the month. Good grief. Musty, what's up? This is a way of looking for anyways to be some cultified videos. Does anyone know if we'll be able to trade MESM&Q in the London session on Good Friday? Ooh, live sound? That's a very valid question. Does anyone know the answer? Does anyone know if we'll be able to trade MESM&Q in the London session on Good Friday? What time does the exchange actually shut, or does it shut at the end of Asia session? That's just a really large freaking candle. Yeah, here we go. This is gonna push up a little bit higher before we come back down. That's the setup. Watch, I now say that and it comes back down, but I have a feeling that's actually the setup. I mean, look at this giant freaking push we had here. Went above. How's this look on the 5-minute? And 15. Ah, 15 looks beautiful. I say oh so sarcastically. Oh. Okay. Shut down. Bullish divergent. Yeah, that's what we're kind of looking at. Seeing that's 1 p.m. chat. But I can't tell if that's 1 p.m. EST Thursday. I don't like that. Must be wrong, but my strategy is telling me to not sell. Answer that question appears to be yes for MNQ and London. Ah. Okay, watch this thing work out. Didn't like the dojis there at all though, but anyways. Just bought right there. Okay. Watch live MNQ, but yes, NQ. Hey, OTT, what's up? Oh, this is not a fun spot to be in. I mean, I'm not in this trade, but still. Like I said, theoretically, the better entry would be over here at the 0.5. So Ronnie bought. Where's your TP at, Ronnie? Bullish SMT off that hourly low. Yes. Sorry, it took me a minute, but I was like, ah, yes, yes. What coin? Not a coin. Damn, trading for newbies? Okay. What's up, Debbie? OTT, nothing much. It kind of went sideways a bit. Had a little bit of a drop. This would have missed tagging me in. I saw this, but this huge push up here made me kind of go, No. And the fact that I just missed taking the 50% with this candle means theoretically the correct range, the entry should be at the 0.5. I mean, there's a fight going on here. That's closed above though. Not a coin, this is MNQ. Divine Soto. Ooh, okay. Do you know what I need to do? I need to freaking open some windows. It is boiling up in here today. Sure. This is absolute BS. Oh, this would not have been a fun trade. This would not have been a fun trade at all. Imagine sitting in that, watching it just sit on your freaking entry like that. I think this might wick above. I could be wrong. Like I said, this could just go straight down and would have been a winning trade, but yeah, here we go. Boom. Would have been a loss. Oh, look at that. Sometimes I am correct. Guardian, what's up? Ruben, what's up? I've got a busy day today, so yeah, the way you all nerd out over these charts is lovely. Eddie? Heck yeah. It's what you gotta do. Ronnie, TP, whoop whoop, that's amazing! Wait. I got you, Ronnie. Whoop whoop. Well done. My target is always figure out a gap if you see it bounces back. Which trading platform? This is Trading View. Seriously, Ronnie, well done. Well done. Proud. Engulfing bullish. Ronnie, are you using NinjaTrader? This isn't a bad long idea. I know I'm looking at it now, kind of going, maybe. So you have one. Actually, OTT, you have a point. This is not a bad long idea right here. I've got the 50% over there. Two. If it comes back. Back up to opening, maybe even back up to midnight. Nope, okay, did not come back. No, come back. Check. Check, come back. Come back, Jack. From Titanic. I should mommy. What did I just say? Did I just say I should mommy? That's not... What? I should maybe not make jokes about that is what I wanted to freaking say. But along with the zeros. Currently in profits, risk free. Whoop whoop. It's a higher time frame rejection. It's gonna go a bit more up than that. Yeah. I think it's gonna want to tap into opening price. Damn it. Like it did now. Maybe go back up to midnight. That would have been very, 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 very cheeky. Wait, that's 75. I'd be keen to see it go back up to midnight. Maybe take out a little bit more internal liquidity. Let's see. Man, yeah, this is too good. Did you take a trade, OTT? Oh, shit. 300. Good small. Let me open buys. I'd be keen to see it hit my TP today, Muddy. I don't know if it's gonna go all the way up there today. No, this might start. Okay, I don't think this is gonna work. Nah, just looking from your chart. Oh, okay, nice. Shoot. Well, there goes my point of interest. Okay. That didn't work. I want to see something. Shoot. I did draw that. But that was pushing it. I just liked it because, I mean, theoretically, this was the most teeny tiniest little A+ setup. I did like it. Yeah. Why 25? Bruh, I'm trying to cradle this like a child. OTT, I'm cradling this funded like a child. I've logged into TradingView for the first time. Ooh, Atlanta, nice. And thoughts? I set a short at 299, stop loss at 314, and a TP at 267. Oh, T Blunky, what up? Oh, default, amazing. Okay, let's see if this goes up, Ronnie. What would you hope in trading to open another account or funded? Oscar, I would recommend doing an eval first before jumping into a funded. I guess it depends. I would start with an eval just personally to see if it's capable enough to actually get you payouts. It's going up to midnight after New York Open. I know, but at the same time, I'm gonna be stuck in one place. I know, OTT, but like I said, I need a little bit more cushion. Need a little bit more cushion. Trust me, I have less than $100. I'm gonna switch up the program. I mean, if you don't want to, you don't obviously have to. You do what makes you happy. I think that's it. Hey Samuel, Pipstar, Mr. Pix! How are you? T Blunky, the one trade I took, it didn't come back and tag me in, which was rude. Very rude. So, no, nothing's been tagged into, let's put it that way. I make my trading view setup identical to people, look and go from there. Atlanta, if you have Discord and you need help, just give me a shout. I helped Bob out the other day with 1 or 2 things. So I do think it's a little bit different to the other platforms. Oscar full port every day. What pair is this? Not a pair. This is Nasdaq futures. What's up? What's up? Welcome, welcome, welcome. What's up, Luke? Just got stop out break even trade. Whoop whoop. Liquidity sweep, it should go down. Well, an SMT was definitely created here right now. Let's see, it could push a little bit higher. Easy, not a pair. Nasdaq futures. How's it going? Crap. Aw, dag nabbit. How rude. Didn't come and get me. Didn't come back there. Didn't come back there. It's now just going too high for me to want to take an entry. And we're back into this range. That's fun, that's fun. What's the time looking like? We are at 3:37. Cool. The market likes to bounce in round numbers. Morning! Hammer! Hey yo! Hammer time! Ayo! Okay, sorry. Eddie, I like how you said trust instead of trust me. I've said that years ago. I feel like it's just easier, just trust. Okay. Thank you. No Debs and it's going for muddy CP now a little bit. Hey, it is short. Ronnie, you are convinced it's short. Let's see. Could be, could not be. To be determined. Wave goodbye to this range. You know what? I would be happy to. Would be happy to. Volume's kind of in the same place. It wants to go down. Price action showing bullish momentum. I agree with the bullish momentum. Do you think this was low-key a little bit of a fake out? And this is now the real move. Have buyers come and taken control? I think I'll only trust it once it breaks the midnight. I think once we've broken midnight, then I'm like, okay, we're good. Woke up just in time to take these buys and NQ got a net 302. Hey, Louis, whoop whoop, that's amazing. What the heck, man? So I can't believe you just woke up now. What on earth? Wait, I nearly judged. I was like, it's not midnight for you. I'm so sorry. That was super judgy for no reason. Well, yes, entered 4 alpha value. Yeah, but NQ doesn't, so the big SMT basically. Oh, stop loss. That's okay, Ronnie. Don't worry. All part of the game, right? I don't know if I like calling it a game. All part of learning, right? There we go. Ghost is a dodge. Do you ever think about the greater purpose? Oh, your greater purpose on the universe. Does everyone have to have a greater purpose? Can't you just be like the NPC in the sidelines that no one cares about? No? I'm still in shock that this account is still active. Do you know what? Same. Seriously, same. It got $25 away. I lied. Didn't it get $15 away from being KO'd? I think it did, which is still very, very funny. Okay, there's midnight. Loki Haven, you know what? I found out what it was for me to get a pink Bugatti. Okay. guess, yeah, maybe I'm just I'm an NPC. Just in the background, like, you want some fruit? You want some fruit? You know, to everyone that walks by. You short? Why are you so set on shorts, Ronnie, out of curiosity? If you don't mind me asking. You don't have to have a valid reason, I'm just curious. My greater purpose is catching fish, so I think I'm killing it. There we go. Look at it go. If only it came to get me down here. How would. Is this freaking going bob to bob? What does this look like on the 5? Oh! Dang nabbit. Literally tapped into flipping VWAP on ES and just went, okay, now we bounce to the moon. Thank you, Ghost Dodge. Did I hear food talk? Imagine knowing you're the NPC and being like, well, oh come here, something into walls are repeating the same lines. Ah, you def ain't an NPC. Oh, I appreciate that. It needs traction if it wants to go higher. Ghost Dodge, you like my graph? Thank you. Right, the volume is not fading, the price action is not fading. Really dangerous to sell that. So people low-key overthink having a greater purpose as long as you have a reason you gotta wake up and work. You're doing great. Makes my crafts is so proud. I found a crave. Oh, good grief, Muddy. I would give you a medium knife, man, for that mud crab, but I don't know the shortcut for that. I got you, I got you. Are you happy? To be fair, I haven't made a shortcut for that. I don't think people would like it that much. Do you guys like it? My trading... Yes, I am trading micros. Ah, you're welcome, Muddy. Okay. Well, definitely took that out now. Freaking bob to bob, man. Thanks, I did that. You're welcome. Like I said, I haven't actually made a command for it. Should I make a command? I'll make a command for it. And then I'll tell you what it is. Yeah, I'll get on that after the stream. That you have it tomorrow. Okay. What do you think the command should be? Because it can't be Scream, because we got Scream already. Yes, it's just come on, D. Here we go. Anyways, these what? These. Who said that? When do you plan to get in? Spam? all very good questions. If I'd done the bob to bob, which I've been a little bit hesitant in doing for London recently, maybe I should just stop being hesitant and just start taking them, because the bob to bob would have actually been here. Y'all, this would have been the bob to bob freaking level. Yeah, giving it a few points. There's the top, but let's say give it 3 or so points. I'm so sorry, I have all the hiccups and they're so irritating. Bob to bob, man. Just bob to bob. If you wanted it to be safer, the entry actually could have been here, but yeah. Then the... Huh? There we go. There would have been a win. I didn't even see what the R's are for that one. 2.29 R for that specific trade. Like I said, bob to bob. I need to just get a bit more comfortable at taking them. I think especially because it was in the range, I was kind of eh. Atlanta, exactly. Oh, the boys are gonna abuse that one. Oh, 100%. My full margin count is on $100. We're on 45 now. Has anyone said Philport, by the way, out of curiosity? No one? OTT, didn't you say Philport earlier? No? These bob to bobs? You eat spicy foods around me? No. I am so pathetic with spicy food. For me, salt is spicy enough. Which is embarrassing, but anyways. I don't think it's topped yet, but let's see. Spam? Nah, there we go. Let's check on the 15-minute. Why is it running away? Ooh, it's about to tap into these wicks on the 1 hour. I wonder if it's going to respect them. So it might bounce off of this 50% mark at 365. Tapped into there. We could be going back up, people. This might be where we go back up. Check the 15 again. Oh! Can't remember. I think I did. You always keep up for the opening of full port. Louis just said full port. But that's insane. I was literally 4 hours. Oh, one person said full port as soon as I joined. Good grief, yes, swing of money, you know. Oh gosh. Ooh, this could retest and then continue back up. Let's go back to the 1. Okay, tapped into Bob. That sounded weird. Tapped into the Bob level. That sounds better. Let's see what it wants to do. I don't got nothing right now for a good setup. Unless we're talking Bob to Bob setup. I don't know if this is going to bounce all the way back down.
That's what she said.
Order is it? Louis, are you in a short right now? Waiting for that bounce. Bounce. Fires are getting out. Atlanta. What did Atlanta say? What is the best way to backtest your own strategy? I mean, there's a few different sites. I'm actually currently using FX Replay. Now it's definitely a short. Or paper trading also works. Muddy, help you with what? As long as the best setup the session looks. I'm gonna entry 4 hour betting up versus us in bullish bias. The question is, to which point? We're actually having some decent moves. Was the speech good yesterday? Obviously, I don't. Was that speech decent yesterday? Do you do more than one symbol at a time, Evan? No, Atlanta, no. Not yet. Always said I wanted to get good at one asset first or one symbol first. Clearly I'm not that great just yet. Yet being the key word. Shoot. I'm curious. I'm not taking this. I'm genuinely curious right now. Pushing higher than I would like to see. I don't want it to break above there. If it doesn't break above, this thing might be going down. I feel speed coming. Damn, what's up? Been backtesting while I'm watching. Aww, Steve Lungy, you're such a sweetie pie. How's the trades looking? It wasn't the speech I'm saying without having to open up. Oh, nice. What coin? So this is not a coin. This is the Nasdaq futures. So I'm pulling a face because I feel like I'm the only one potentially interested in a little bit of a short here. No buyers are coming into play, never mind. What's up, Glenn? How you doing? No, I don't. Graph, what do you mean? Fellow traders, should a trade copier support different times of platforms or just a single platform? The first time will be 4 second target 489. Overall target. I mean, it failed. As I said, it failed. Looks like it's gonna start pushing. At least for a retest. I say let it fade a bit, then look for longs. There's going to be momentum. Shoot, guys, this kind of looks good. The problem is I think I might want to retest a few times, or it's just gonna shoot up, you know, but shoot up sounds weird, but you know what I mean. Hey, Victor, what the hell? How's everyone doing? Bitman, hi, on a short, or is it just a test? Ronnie, I'm just... it's more of a test, for a Bob's Bob, Let's see, you want a decent engulfing down. Happy last day of March. Happy last day of March. Do y'all have any like super cool plans for April Fools? Asking for a friend because I'm terrible at April Fools. Nah, Ronnie, this is failing. This is gonna go up. There we go. I went to a bus. I'm intrigued to hear about names. How much time from display indicators to me. 8.1 on that full port. I cut it. Hammer, what the heck, man? You're being a very bad influence because it sounds like the full porting is just going really well right now. Yeah, no, April Fool plans. Telling me no one has any cool April Fool plans? I'm not judging, but I'm judging. He's a bit high time frame, but that's my perspective difference, so no rules we both can't use, right? True. Bitman, how's the weather there? Oh, it's hot as hell. Literally. Well, small steps, but still. You have to drown out the outside noise and trade your setup and stay in chat at school, but you gotta stay focused on what you're doing to get better. It's not an easy balance, but you could. Oh, thank you, MJ Trades. You do have a point. Like I said, this is just something I'm forward testing, to be fair. That one would not have worked. But this is also why it is important to have a bias. Because it obviously works with that as well. Full porting never goes wrong. Never ever, guys. Full port. No, please. I'm so joking. I'm solidly joking. Guys, do not come here and start full porting things. Dare I say that this looks nice? Ooh, dare I say that this looks nice? Shoot. I don't know if it's gonna come back that far though. It advises indicator accurate. Market's been bullying me all year round. Every day is April Fool's Day. That was rough and I felt that one. It's pure facts right there. Honey, honey, how you thrill me. Well, I'm hands off. Let's see. My other revenge trade is final boss. Not just one. I like type of copy. Would you want what feature? you. No, tag me in. And then reject. Oh, shoot. This is coming down a little bit stronger than I thought, but it's okay. I'm in now. Matt, do I offer any courses? Nah, can't offer something if I'm not amazing. Yet. One day, when I'm big, maybe. Yes, it did. Why? Screen is not fully visible. Are you watching on the whatchamacallit? What's called vertical? Oh dear. Oh dear. That's not what you want to see. Be right back, boss menu. Oh no. This is why I say the A+ setups just aren't A+ing like they used to. It's a good little liquidity sweep over there. On ES. Go back up now. Price is not visible. What do you mean price is not visible? Oh shoot! I didn't even realize it was 4. Oh no. No wonder there was a dump. Do I just call it while I'm in profit then? Go back up, go back up. Crying out loud. Shoot. Oh no. Shoot. Is this why I need to wiggle my fingers? Okay. On to the next. That was close. That was literally a few points away from hitting my stop. But we made it. Cool. On to the next one. Ah. Oh gosh. I made it. I made it. Ah, thank you. Whoop whoop. Yes. Do you see? I try not to get too excited about it anymore. I'm just like, one good trade at the time. One good trade at a time. Just delete that so that it's not in the way of this. And add this to Discord. Okay. Nearly back up to 500. Okay, we get 49980. Oh, hey Tom, what's up? I gotta stop hovering over the profit button. Thank you. Okay. I have 4 positions in short. Damn, Ronnie, have you ever thought about, hear me out. Obviously, you do what works for you. You know your strategy. My only question is careful. Yeah, I guess careful. Careful of being stuck on a bias. I know that I've done that before. Plenty of times. It's bad that this is good again. I feel like it's a bit cheeky if I take this again. And number 5, never marry your bias? Yes. No, but 100%. I've done that before, where I'm like, no, it's going up. I mean, it just kept going down, obviously. I just got absolutely screwed. That was the one day that I tilted. Where I was like, no, it's going up, and it kept going down. So I went, fine, it's going down then. So I took a short, and that's when a retest happened. I was so angry. I mean, it was pretty funny, don't get me wrong, but... For too long with fades, you can do it again. Another fade, then you seem to market. Oh, Claudie, that's okay though. Hesitation happens. Happens to me all the time. Trust. Happens all the time. How much is one? 30. I know the long hair wouldn't be bad. I know, that's why I'm kind of gonna do it. I have what I want to see here. The only problem is it could wick a little bit lower. But that's why I'm not risking a lot, so I don't give back. You know, if it does hit stop loss, I then haven't given back all the profits from the previous one. And midnight. No, but midnight magnet is below. Buddy. Oof. Okay. Because midnight's down here. Okay, a little bit stuck. What does this look like on the 5-minute? Ooh, this is not bad for the 5-minute. We did tap into the wicks. I wonder if it's gonna respect all of those properly. Yeah. Yeah, Claudie, it's... You figure it out. I think that's the best way to explain it. It takes time, but you figure it out. You figure out what to do, what not to do. That maybe that was a dumb choice, or maybe that is what you should have done in the beginning, you know, but it does take time. Claudie, how long have you been trading again? So I can't remember if you mentioned or not. Who's been here with you the longest talking about your views? My day one is Frank's. I think Frank's is still here. I don't know if Frank's is in the chat today. But yeah, Frank's was my day one. Literally my first ever, like, commentator? Someone who... chat? Yeah? First ever person who, like, chatted with me. So Frank's, day one. Dark Angel, Bob, and Wolf. Oh. Okay, well, I'm in this. This might be a straight to stop loss situation. I'm just watching this here. This is gonna... Okay, anyways, I'm in. Is this the Claudia that live streams as well? Is it? Claudia? 2 months. Oh, you've been trading for 2 months? That's impressive. 2 months is barely any time. Chill, dude, just tell me to chill. Not gonna lie, I mistook this trade. Let's see, it was nice, but I think this is gonna... Well, let's see. Like I said, I made it so that I didn't give back all profits if it does hit stop loss, so it's fine, still in the green. Oh, thanks, Muddy. I'm actually a solid mess today, but I appreciate it. Ah, pity. There we go. Yeah, no, this is gonna tap. Okay. I would wiggle, but I feel like I'm gonna wiggle it down. If you know the wiggle fingers. There we go. Okay. Don't jump into things. That's what's wrong on my rules. Oh, stupid. It's fine. Okay. It was just one contract. I'm down $30, but we're still up. Oops. It was a really nice setup though, so I'm not upset. It was but just a little lesson. Yeah, like I said, it was actually A+, so I'm not upset. Or 6.5. And... 0.4. Stop loss is too tight for this price action. Hey, Louis, I gotta keep the... I just listened to the GAN box. Death Kiss and now up, that would be rude. It's the one problem with taking trades in this bob level. We could just want to wick out and do some funny things before continuation. But overall, they're huge, yeah? I nearly died. We're okay. Vasuit, same. Especially if you put your own settings in. Okay, so do you think this is where we're gonna retest the whole... Excuse me. The whole range now? Oh, okay, we're gonna retest the whole range now. Cool. At least I think we are. Back down to midnight, retest the 50% of this range, and then go back up to Asia High. I think that's definitely a possibility. Huh, pity. Oh well. On to the next. Dun dun dun. Pablo working good. Give me 2 seconds, guys. I'm gonna be right back. I'm just a mess today. I apologize. Okay, be right back. I see not much has happened. Right? That idea is okay, probably would see correction and go up. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh, bye, buddy! Okay, but I'm back. Player 456 short to 22682. Good grief. Mother bluffer. Sorry, I'm giggling because of this. Oh, the audacity. Rude. Absolutely rude. It's fine. At least we're taking more trades, being a bit more bold, not so scared anymore. That was the one thing I had to get over. Did I pass my eval with micros? With micros? Everything was micros. Yeah, I've only traded the micros before. Yeah, Vasu, how about, wait, have you passed an eval yet? No? Yes? Maybe? Okay, you know what, now that we're taking a quick little break, methinks, oh, I have to get it, so, ooh, I lied, wait. Methinks it's nearly time for butterfly of the day. What do y'all think? Butterfly of the day? Butterfly of the day. Now that we've taken 2 trades, taken a little bit of a breath, had a win, had a little loss, it's fine. Made a good amount, we just don't want to give it all back. Are we ready, steady? Let us do butterfly of the day. Like I said, guys, I am actually a mess today. I apologize. You'll see me at my worst today, so sorry. Here we go. That one. Oh, okay. Okay. I like them. They are very cute. So, the gold banded forester. Gold? I'm typing nothing. That would do it. But it is a butterfly of the day. Gold. Banded. Ta-da! Oh, he cool. Oh, he's very cool. And look how unassuming he is. And then he's so cool. This is a very cool butterfly of the day. And he can have like more green looking wings or just straight up blue. I dig him. This is a cool butterfly of the day. We get to mark and also change. Maddie, I've already done that. Already marked and changed fonts. Oh, cheers, Maddie. Drive safe. Are you assuming the butterfly is gender? Did I? Oh gosh, it's cute. It. Let's just call it it. Okay, so 55 to 78 millimeters. Okay, so it's not too small. I kind of thought it would be small. When approached, glides away open-winged for a few meters, then sits. Okay, attracted to fermenting fruit and wads of chewed sugarcane. Oh, so they should be pretty common around here then. Locally common lowland and riverine forests in KwaZulu-Natal. There we go, from Umtunzini to Maputoland and further north. Historically occurred near Durban. There we go. Habitat is forest edges. Flight period is year-round, peak Feb and July. Okay, shall I try? Oh my. I don't even want to try and read the Latin name. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that Euphedra nephron. That, I think I did that a little bit better than I thought. Euphedra nephron. Cool. That was butterfly of the day. Ta-da! Back to the charts. I dig him. He's cool. That's it. up? Got an express funded account yesterday, but lost 500. No! I'm sorry. It's okay, though. I'm Umi Zumi back. What's up, Umi? Look at butterflies. Oh, they're so cute and adorable. Yes, they are. They are so pretty. They are oh so pretty. I like them. Butterflies for the win. First TP at 23301, second at 265. Let's see, I see we've lost a little bit of volume here. Okay, this was my mistake. Don't just jump into everything. But it's okay. It was a little lesson. Or we continue. Head and shoulders just drawn. How are we looking at the time? Okie dokie. I see we kind of lost, hello, a little bit of momentum right now. Sammy, are you looking for shorts now? Sorry, I'm just having a quick look here. I mean, that was a very good rejection off of there. This could be going back down to the bob level around 277. Let's see if it does end up going down there. I think definitely back down to midnight. Is it too early for pizza? I did, Sally. I did. Hi, Sally, by the way. Anyone that's just joined.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
And... because Solly's here, I know what I have to do already.
Emotional damage.
Getting close to my stop loss. No, yeah, I'm sorry. I'm afraid of butterflies because their flight pattern isn't normal. Okay, I'm gonna need you to elaborate a little bit. So, like you don't like that it's all over the place? Is that what you mean? So bam, 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 what's up? I'll put a timestamp on anything and... so no timestamp on pizza eating, got it, no ways. Go for it, guys. I had ice cream for breakfast yesterday, so don't, let's just... we listen and we don't judge, okay? We listen and we don't judge here. I'm probably gonna regret telling you guys that. Watch you guys be super judgy because I said that now. That's got a still hit on its back. That's not an actual thing, is it, Louis? I don't think that's an actual thing. Is that an actual thing? Trader, what's the biggest amount of money I made, like in one trade? What's the title of the song? The background music? In the description below. I needed that motivation. I'm very indecisive. Why is that so valid? My, we know how you used to be. What do you mean? What did I do? What did I do now? I know I'm a problem, but what did I do this time? I'm judging.
Emotional damage.
That's mean. That's so mean. Mood. Wait. Good. Back to midnight. Ah, it's a pity about this one. OTT. To be fair, it was an A+ setup. It would have been nice to see this go higher. It edged me. Rude. Solly actually stunned me into silence. That's what you've been trying to do this whole time, isn't it? You've been trying to stun me into silence this whole time. Mr. Umi 314. Yeah, just below midnight open. Makes sense. What inflation I've been facing? I'm continue not facing charge for damage. No recovery until it hits 22300. Learn patience. Garov trust. Patience is the one thing I do have. Literally. That does sound good. Ice cream, right? Atlanta, let's just be real. Right, sentence is all wrong. I sneezed and broke a brain cell. Emma. Don't worry, that's me. I breathed and my brain cell went meh. No, that's enough for today. Maybe leave it open for New York. Yeah, I don't like that. Person from high school would be able to tell you that. Ran from butterflies. I don't think they're beautiful. Oh, you do think that they're beautiful, but they fly weirdly and they're unpredictable. So I'm not scared of a lot of things. I mean, I swam with sharks. For me, I am scared of locusts. Like, not grasshoppers, they're fine. Locusts. Those big, beady-eyed, creepy things that are this massive and fly on you and their feet feel sticky. I mean, they can fly, they can jump. I'm fine. I am fine, thanks. I think those are the only creatures I will run away from screaming. I do not like them. They are terrifying. I'm good. I mean, there was a plague of them. Let's just be real. So clearly they're not good. Life sound with that? Yeah, I don't like that. Come back in 5 years. That sounds extremely painful for some reason. Woodpod. I really can't be. What's up, Microwave? Maya, you can't lie. What brain cells? Seriously. OTT, it's like Solly comes and you're like, it's time to be a bully. Let's do this. And I've been so nice to you. Ah, cheers, Debbie. Enjoy. Are you gonna judge me if I tell you what I'm scared of? No, we listen and we don't judge. I mean, Hammer, that's valid. I feel like those are valid fears. Like, but a flipping locust. Thank you, Libby. I see that. I'm so sorry. Things are super delayed. Cheers, player 456. Sneezing into freaking your brain cell equals pain. Oh gosh. Grasshopper and locust, same thing. And there. Is that true? I thought a locust was just bigger. Because little grasshoppers I'm fine with, but the locusts that are this big and they have colorful wings, and no thanks. No thanks. 4 positions on short, green 4. Nice, Ronnie, that's good. What's my highest TP? Do you mean what is the most amount I got from a trade? IC facts? Is that supposed to be like IC facts? Sorry. much was it? It was like $650. Which I know for a lot of people is nothing, but for me it was a lot, especially because I have nearly been trading for a year. Come on, guys, come on, guys, come on, guys. Let's do this. Let's think of cool ideas to do to celebrate 1 year. What could be a fun thing to do to celebrate 1 year of trading? And if you freaking say full port, I'ma smack someone. Can't full port this. I'm a spoiler, what's up? And my best, but Hammer, whoop whoop, that was quick. You got your targets real quick. Oh, don't try to see you in negative. What just happened? Who was Kid? And after 8 wins, I took a loss. Sorry, I'm pulling that face because I mean, bruh. Right now, I'm like, after 8 losses, I had a win, and I was like, okay. Bring us music. I'm scared of spiders, snakes, the ocean, lake water, basically any water that isn't a pool. Mikuave, are you good? You are kid. I have no idea, Solly. Did Solly just call me a kid? I'm training to about 1.5 trim. Icy facts, what? What type of shark did I swim with? It was a black tip shark, or black tip shark. Video is coming out soon. I've nearly done editing it. It's basically ready. I just want my one friend to watch it and be like, yes, no, maybe. Have their thoughts, so maybe it'll be coming out tomorrow. Dun dun dun. Maybe it's a celebrate your 1 year order. Maybe to celebrate 1 year order yourself something that'll haunt, but that's money. A Benjamin Button sister? Ah, Sully, I missed you. You meanie. Okay, we're gonna have a rejection off of Midnight? Damn, Midnight is sticking properly. I'm scared of birds. I mean, OTT, that's valid though. I think. What's your reason for being scared of birds? I feel like that's... But I get it. I'm fine. You haven't... So all locusts are grasshoppers, but not all grasshoppers are locusts, really? Huh. Certain crop like desert locust can switch into a locust. Trigger, this usually happens due to overcrowding heavy rains. Oh damn. Well then but okay, then I don't like big grasshoppers, okay? Anything that is this size or bigger, I'm not interested. That's okay.
That's what she said.
My podcast. Oh gosh. Anyways, we see like 3 snakes on that. Oh gosh. Okay. Anyways, but you'll be better if you show up for a year and you're still here. Oh, thank you. Is this crypto? No, Zeus, sorry, this is Nasdaq futures. Here's a little bit of a rejection. Can you imagine? Cheers, Ken. Umi still says 371. No, back up to 371, right? Really sounds like you guys really don't know about desert. No, Atlanta, not really. I mean, those locusts aren't always in like deserts and things. Do you guys know what I'm talking about when I talk about a locust? Can I scare you guys? My music? Thanks, I'm literally not wearing any music. Any makeup, anything. This is, I haven't brushed my hair today, which is why I did this. I really don't like them. Okay. One time I saved confused low for praying mantis. That did not go well. Atlanta. Good long. Wait, can't believe I just woke up. I'm jealous. Nothing is actually kill streaming around here. The tiniest thing. Maya, look at me. What's up? Oh, that one freaked me out. That one freaked me out a little bit. Oh, okay, this, I see it now dumped down solidly. Cool, 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 cool. Are you guys ready for this? Can I freak you all out? Trigger warning if anyone is scared of insects. Just putting it out there in case y'all yell at me. Oh, thanks, wait. I'm not happy. This freaking one. Look at the I low-key feel anxious just looking at these. I'm not a fan. I do not like locusts at all, especially if they're that big. Like that, he's like this big. I don't like it. Okay, I don't like it. Let's go back to the chance and stop looking at scary things. It's like a horror movie. Imagine eating them. How many of you? I know some people eat them. There we go. Here was a good drop down. Freaking bob to bob. I can't believe it. Look at this. It's like, oh, locust. I bet. So for me, I have no issue with snakes. The thing that freaks me out, so on Discord, you'll see I posted, there was a snake on a gate and I was like, oh, what's up, buddy? You know, I think the thing that freaks me out is how quickly they can just disappear out of sight, because literally he was on the snake, I was filming on the snake. He was on the gate, I was filming him, I was like, oh, he's so cool. And he was pretty, it's like this long. He was a pretty decently sized snake. And then I literally turned around to do something, and when I turned back, he was gone. That scares me more than anything. When I can see them, I know where to avoid them, you know, give them space, it's fine. When I cannot see them, I kind of go, where did you go? Where'd you come from? Where'd you go? Where'd you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? That's why I still was my especially a camel spider. You can rather, no, you should search a red Roman. Those things are the worst. It's not actually a spider, it has a whole new subspecies on its own. It's like a spider mixed with a pock-time prawn. 30 grand. I think it's... Is it? Are you serious? Is it? I can't... What? I can't tell if you're joking right now. I wave. Hey, on the crowd, what's up? How you doing? Oh, why? What does it mean? Send me a message in Discord, I'm curious. Oh, gravy. Oh, I'm good, Alucard. Can't complain. Oh, damn, look at it go. It's a bit of a contradiction, though, because it just tapped into the 50% of this huge range. So is this where it turns around and starts pushing it? Or not? Dun dun dun. Oh, no! Big Wave, do you know what the problem is now? It's now kind of stuck in my head and I want to sing it, and now I'm like, I can't sing that. That's bad. Exposing your age. I'm so sorry. Good giggity morning. What's up, Unity? Just say. Yeah, he probably was just like, you're cool, we're fine. Thank you, I'm super confused. Aw, look at this. Actually working out, mother fluffer. Oh, that's rough. Oh, okay. I apologize. I didn't know. Ah, look at it go. Would have been a banger. Okay, we're getting a little bit of speed. I don't know if you heard that. That was Perry lying down. Just lay down with such force. Dom, you still think buyers are coming? I don't know. I think the sellers are kind of in control right now. Well, for now at least. Yeah, fair. Let's see how this reacts here. Gonna be instantaneous. I think this is gonna stop popping back up now. Is it? Or not? Funded 409 IQ. Says the funded account. Like I said, I don't know how it's still going, but it's going. So that's cool, that's cool, that's cool. Come on, give us something good. To be fair, I did like that, but he's fine. It is what it is. Now I want to fund it, okay? Sorry guys, I used to own a snake, just a little corn snake, but still. No, wait. And a boa constrictor. No, but to be fair, the boa constrictor was my sister's. And we called him Bob. Bob the boa constrictor. So I mean, I used to have snakes when I was growing up. Looking like a melted barcode, basically. And David, I've had this thing for a while. What's up? Ian Thompson, this is not trading. I mean, I took 2 trades earlier. This price action just doesn't work for me. So patience. Patience is trading. Louis taking buys here at 322. What's your draw? Asia high? Or are you just gonna stick to the levels? Yeah, I've been wearing it for the past few days, David. Good grief. Targeting 512. 512? What the heck, man? Okie dokie. How big is your stop loss? That's insane. I know patience pays, but seriously, would be nice to get something a little bit more. Ticker, this is, well, the Nasdaq futures. Pre-market open, do you mean nap or gap? Nice, I trade ES. Oh, there we go. Well, I have ES open on this side because they tend, well, ES tends to drive NQ. Have a good one. Okay, nap, got it. Sorry, neighbors calling me. Like I said, they are moving out today, so I expect a little bit of chaos. I'll be right back. Let me just see what they want. 2 seconds. Oh my gosh, I just kicked my toe so hard. Oh, I'm in so much pain right now. What on earth? I just sat down and chaos happened. What did I miss? Hi guys, I did. My toe was so sore. I kicked it on the wheel of my chair. That was not fun. That was not okay. Anyways. Ah. Oh, that was sore. Damn, another 20 bucks. Ah, okay. Whew. Okay, what on earth just happened there? Was there another tweet that something happened? Because that's a very random candle at a very random time. If there was a new hourly or new 15-minute or something, but nope. at freaking 52 past. That's very random. So, no, I'm just gonna... We just continue through the pain. Hey, Othman, what's up? Now, as I sat down, I see chaos ensued, which is fine. I am the chaos. I'm the bringer of chaos. I'm very fine with that. Long coming, they just cleaned all the stop losses. Sorry, life's out, that's so rough. Oh, sorry. How much do I risk for a trade? For 190. So, sweet and simply, recently very little, just because I'm trying to grow this account back up. But normally I risk around $200 per trade. So, and it's a 1 to 2R, so risk 200, so TP should be 400. Make an affiliate. Wait, what do you mean, OTT? Short everything. Oh, I can actually ask. Let me... Never mind, that took me a minute. I'll ask, I'll check. Dom, you're still in? Ah. What's a tattoo on your arm? Secret Society of the snails. Yeah, that's it. Nah. It was nicely coming back to my entry, then boom, all of a sudden I was 400 down. I mean, life... I'm assuming you had a stop loss, right? You can find out. Let me find out. Thanks, OTT. Build out, I'm strong. I wish I was strong. I'm a little weakling, but I appreciate that. I am very much not strong. Oh, we're in such a weird little phase right here. Hey Umgar, what's up? How you doing? I know everyone's looking for longs right now, right? Who's actually looking for shorts? Or is everyone just kind of longs all the way to go right now? Oh, okay. Ooh, live sound. Well done. The only one thinking it'll all go to in a couple weeks with the war and everything. But let's be positive. Maybe things will turn around. Right? Maybe the peace talks and all of that will... I don't know, I'm trying to be positive. I'm trying to not be like, yeah, we're in a bit of a... Can't believe I'm living through this situation right now. I'm on shorts. Oh, there we go. And that's what you get. Watch the changes be horrendous. OTT. Yeah, you know, there is a saying, and I agree with it. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Right? I mean, which is very conservative. Yes, it is. Maybe 65k, maybe 63k. Dang, I was wearing my shorts should end all longs. I think the price goes down to demand zone. I'm waiting for a long down there. It's Chop City, but I'm in shorts. I was quite curious about this, but we don't have enough movement for clean Bob to Bob levels. Nothing right now is super clean. Which is unfortunate. See, this could start going down here. But that being said, let me check something with how massive this wick is. Maybe not. Too many rejections in the zone. It's an unlimited amount of times I said I can't believe I'm living through this right now. Silly. Life sounds, I guess that's the thing, right? And then something else happens and you're like, oh my gosh, this is worse than a loss, and it just keeps happening. It just keeps getting worse and worse and you just keep having to deal with it. It sucks. Being an adult sucks. I'm betting my Pokemon cards on this trade. You know, that doesn't mean much unless you have a really good Pokemon card. But be cool of it. All I can say is natural selection. That's all I can say. We have a lot of orders sitting at 236. Oh, basically add VWAP. That makes sense. It does mean that there isn't a lot that affects me anymore. True. Let's get rid of the zone. I don't blame the guy. That was pretty good. Oh, I don't have enough time to do it. I thought of such a flipping good, like a very little, very harmless April Fool's like prank to play on you guys tomorrow, but I don't have enough time to pull it off. Oh man, it would have actually been quite funny. You guys would have been mortified. Oh damn, that would have been really, really good. Yeah, we all have coping mechanisms. I think you're just watching. Oh, okay, cool. I think the amount of traders that are trading Bitcoin with the Telegram channel is beyond me. I've realized that Telegram is apparently quite popular. I had it like very long ago, but meh. So everybody gonna stream and then April Fools don't stream. Yeah. So what I was thinking was like a mayonnaise jar or tub or whatever, and then you make like white pudding in there, and you just bring it out and you start eating it. It looks like you're just eating mayonnaise straight out of the jar. How many days your eval pastime? Oh, Basu, it took me a while. It took me like a few months actually, which I know is not great. You want something that can help you pass quick. But we're getting there. Bullish day considered yet? Yep, definitely a bullish day, but this little bit of a retest is happening oh so slowly. Yeah, yuck, that sounds... I know, but what a funny prank that would be. It would be looking like I'm just eating like mayonnaise straight out of the tub. But it would actually be like that. I don't know if you guys have seen that white pudding. Come on, that would have been a funny prank. And I would have had pudding. Damn it, would have been a win-win. Ah, I'm sad now. Oh well. Like I said, that would have been fun. What a pity. Yeah, or yogurt. Ah, I forgot about that, Louis. Actually, yogurt probably would have been better. Either way. It would gross people out for sure. I know. I'm really trying to think of a good April Fool's prank. I didn't even clock that tomorrow was April Fool's until literally this morning, and I was like, oh. Oh no. It's April Fool's. Do it, dude. But it's gonna be, you know, you guys now know it, so I'm like, gonna have to think of something else. Sure, there's something I can do. Coach Carter, very sus. How you doing? Price action is kind of barcoding. Yeah, you're not wrong, Samuel. That's why I'm hands off right now. Just watching it do its sideways horizontal thing. I mean, I did it earlier and then we had a really nice push, so maybe a nice push is still coming. That would be great if it does. Are you serious? Mikuwabe, are you serious right now? Is that a thing? Just took buys at 323. Yeah, okay, me and OTT are both like, you're talking lies. It's kind of in the middle, almost done. This could be it. Let's see, because it was kind of pulling some sad price action here, some seek and destroy, where it was taking out the low, the high, the low, the high. So let's make sure it doesn't go and take out the low again, because then that's proper seek and destroy price action, and that sucks. Miguavi, send me a screenshot. Hey Louie, what's up? How you doing? Sorry. Umka, what's up? Stop loss already in profit. Nice, Louie. Okay, so not seek and destroy right now. Cool. No, so this was correct. Said range bound, tap the 50% of this range. Had to freak people out here. And now up to Asia High would be nice to see here. If it goes there. Let's wait for something good. Some people get stopped and rallied. I know, how rude. Hey, considered yet? Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop for anyone who got in on the long and has had a little TP. A little TP tapped into. Kind of wild how much you learn just watching these. Sorry, it just kind of popped into my head. I'm like, if I had to look at this so long ago, I'd be like, what on earth is I mean, to be fair, I still sometimes think that. I still sometimes hop on here and go, hey, what am I watching right now? But that's more because I'm judging the price action. And I know what price action means, which is wild. NQ tricky today, you are correct. NQ is not being very nice, but we still have New York. Maybe New York will show us something good. What do you sell? Nothing? Oh man, it's gonna be another 20 bucks. I mean, better than nothing, Louis, right? Rather whoop whoop than a womp womp. Louis, out of curiosity, with you consistently getting these like little 20 bucks, are you like gaining profits just by gaining those 20 bucks all the time? It's essentially like, oh, I like that life sound, but you're not wrong. It's literally like learning a whole new language. And in the beginning, it's like, what? I mean, shit, imagine if I had to text one of my non-trader friends just like trading slang. Be like, oh man, today my SL was hit. I should have moved my SL to break even, you know, BE, and waited for the POI to come into play. You know, imagine just sending a text like that out to someone who's not a trader. They would think that you were on drugs. They'll be like, what are you saying right now? Nice. Lifestyle, there we go, literally, because it does. It sounds hard. If I accidentally start using trading slang with people who aren't traders, they're like, literally, wait, let's appreciate this expression. I'll mention something and they literally go, which is mean. Which is so mean. I mean, seriously. Anyways. Which time frame is it? This is currently the 1 minute. Dan the trading man, what's up? Louis, that's really good. Damn, that's really, really good. How quickly do you move your stop loss into profit though? Life's up, that's amazing. Was she just like, hey, excuse me? What did you just say? It's like I said recently, because I don't know why I keep saying what in the Nasdaq is going on, right? I said that to someone and they were like, what did you say? I was like, what in the Nasdaq is going on? They're like, what is Nasdaq? And I was like, oh, right. That's not a normal thing to say to people. Life sound. If that sentence made sense to you, then you're my people. I mean, that made perfect sense and it makes a lot of sense. Speaking of, what did the backtesting results show, out of curiosity? Can't do 1 minute, only 5 or above. That's fair. I know a lot of people don't like the lower time frames. Oh, Microwave, they saw you and they were like, no, it's gonna expose us. This is yucky. I'm wearing a shell on my pinky. Must get pulling the trigger and move the stop loss into profit as soon as I see I'm 80 bucks into profit. Oh! Wouldn't it, like, tag you out really quickly though? Even if it had a little but still continues to go your way? It actually happened to me. Forwarded my John and Sam to the wrong person. That's hilarious. I hate drawdown. That's fair. You right? Oh, what? I can't know. What on earth? What happened? That's weird. High value average. Overall, I didn't end up taking half my position. Huh. Bro, concentrate. Concentrate on what now? There's absolutely nothing going on here. There's no trades I can take. This price action's too slow. There's nothing for me to be focusing on. So I'd much rather have this discussion with Lifesound about if going break even was actually beneficial, and Louis. Because I find that very interesting. So Louis moves stop loss to break even very quickly. So now I see there's two ways of looking at this, because I know a lot of people say don't do that. If you're willing to risk that much, it should be that much. Whereas Louis says no, as soon as he can, he moves to break even. Which does mean he misses some winners, but consistently those $20 will actually start to add up, which kind of makes sense. You see, now I'm having a bit of a debate in my head. Yeah, for sure, I'd rather get back into the trades once to start moving than to be in drawdown waiting to lose money. Most of the time, price stops me out and goes to the direction I expected it to go. Ooh, don't worry, it's done that to me too, don't worry. Quite often for a 9 IQ. And that's what hurts your feelings. Oh, especially the one day I remember I got ticked out. Literally a tick. And then I went straight to my take profit. That one hurt my feelings. Same here with break-evens. It may seem like I get taken out, but the partials add up. See, this is why now I'm a little bit conflicted. What is... Yeah, like what's better? I guess at the end, see, this is the debate because some people say, oh, but you're ruining this and this, but isn't risk management number one? Isn't that a lot to do with trading, risk management? So as soon as you are there, make your risk 0. That kind of makes sense, right? So I used to do it when I moved my break even as soon as it hit 1 hour, but then I'd usually only take my first TP at 2 hour. That was probably half the issue. Live sound, I used to do that. So most trades I win is because I keep my stop loss to where I set it up before I get in the trade. See, Claudie, this is now the discussion we're having. Of what's better. Market and data, understand your bias. Manage your risk and leave the rest. Risk per trade, but the amount of time the trade's not return in favor. Interesting. Better to take your first TP or break even rather than in losing money. See, that's interesting, Louis. This is a very interesting discussion. Like, if I'm going to break even, might as well pay myself while I'm at it. Next push to Bob level high. Watermelon sugar high. Watermelon sugar high. Need to keep it like that. When it started like a trend, then I moved my stop loss under last low. So do you trail? It sounds like you trail, Claude. Claudie, you? I don't feel anything when I lose on a great move. I just wait for the next. No rush here for me. That's true as well. See, but this is always the debate we keep having. And I guess the answer is the same as everything when it comes to trading. There is no wrong or right way. If that way is working for you, then keep doing that. If that way is not working for you, then maybe change it up, you know. Mantra is I never met anyone that went broke from taking profit. Oh, thanks, Rob. I cash like 40 points a day sometimes. The sellers are not letting the bulls win. Just saying. Oh, to be stuck in a range. This is so frustrating.
Okay, let's go.
Sorry, I thought I would make sure that everyone was still awake. But I would just make sure that everybody was still awake, still here, still functioning, kind of. Like me, are we functioning? Doing our best. Guys, this range is very irritating. Do you know what it is? We're kind of stuck on this midnight open. Literally, we are stuck on this little magnet over here. I'm brave. What's that from? It always makes me think you got into a trade. Nah, I didn't. I'm just watching the chaos unfold. That's basically it. Is anyone in a trade right now? Like I said, I don't diddle in the middle, so this is not great price action for me, but I know some people are probably loving this right now. This shilling, it just moves from 8:20. Wait till 3 p.m. after jolts. Is that 3 p.m. or? Shoot, what time is it at? Okay, so it's at 4 p.m. SA time, so it's at 10 a.m. today. 10 a.m. EST time, cool. No? Yes. English, fine. Second round for Tom. So live sound, you're in a long? Live sound? Yeah, okay, cool. I was about to say, I was like, wait. So then live sound, that's not 3 p.m. GMT, isn't that 4 p.m. GMT? Am I now mixing things up? I feel like I'm mixing things up. I'm in a trade right now, but I'm also not loving it. Give it 30 plus minutes. What's time looking at? 5:20. Not bad here, but I mean this freaking massive engulfing candle. Whoopsie, sorry, my pillow. 2 more TPs to take, both in long positions. Not bad. Sorry, I keep checking my phone because Nope. How to change my chicken. Oh my gosh. It sounds very complicated having daylight savings. South Africa doesn't have that. We just carry on. Like, we don't have to reset our anything. We just continue. It's a bit weird. Like, the whole concept is very weird for... No, my shell is very weird for me. I'm just like, why are we messing with time? Just keep it going. Sorry, this price action is actually putting me to sleep right now. Honestly, doesn't make any sense to me. Considered yet the daylight savings? Like moving the time around? So slow. It's when I walk away that the move will... Dev, that's called the Maya effect. Every time I end stream... I dropped my shell again. Every time I end stream, price action actually starts to move, and I think that's really, really mean and personal, and I find it offensive. Okay. Dev, maybe go up, go for a walk, and then come back, and then maybe the price would have started moving. Just kidding. You guys could probably say the same to me. Just end the stream, and then we'll actually get movement. Live sound? That is so rude. But maybe. Rude. Call of Duty, am I married? No. Sorry, that was me. We just carry on, carrying on. Guys, seriously, who's falling asleep with me? Back into buys, let's see what it does. To be fair, I was low-key looking at... Oh. Okay, monkeys are here. That. But I don't know about this one. Did tap into there. Kinda made a double top right now. Oh my gosh. That is insane, okay. Mikuavu was not lying. Feels like we're stuck in this range till New York Open. I wouldn't actually be surprised because of the fact that Asia had such crazy movement. So I'm not actually surprised. How long did it take for you to become profitable? I'm not profitable yet. Push them, push.
That's what she said.
That was for Louis. Oh, we heard bullish SMT and longs are playing out. Yeah, just oh so slowly. Literally oh so slowly. And it's a little bit choppy at the same time, so unless you had like an entry down here where your stop loss is away from the chop, it's a little bit risque. Could just chop you up before continuing in the correct direction. How long have I been trading? Nearly a year! On the 14th of April would be a year. Mr. Bombastic, that is hilarious. OTT ascended to you, falling asleep alone on this one. I'm in profit now. Hey, considered yet. Nice. I don't hate this, I just hate that the midnight open is right there. So this could easily just blink and then work out. For the trade though, like I said, not the worst trade. I still want to see it go a little bit higher on both ES and NQ. Mr. 1K, what up? I'm sick of watching. Go do some work. Cheers, life sound. 1%, nice. Well, you know what? TP is TP, right? Green is green. So, whoop whoop, anyone that is green today. Whoop whoop, well done. No, Mikuabe is not a lady. Interesting. 5.5 matching forecast in 2 clean days for payout, looking good. Oh, that's nice. Rashi, how long have you been trading for? Whoa. Oh gosh, Louie, you're in trouble. What's up, Rad Mondays? Not sure where I am. I'm from South Africa. How does the market times and your time affect your trading? Not at all. Not gonna lie, being in South Africa is nabam.com to trade. Trading 1 year and 4 months, but started using real money 6 months ago. Oh, that's not bad. Nice. Damn, that's $100 from losing. So damn much. I'm green from Asia sessions. Still no trades from this morning. Yeah, that's fine then. I mean, we still have New York, right? I'm so sorry. Okay. I'm no pressure, MNQ. Pressure, all the pressure. I'm giving you 15 minutes. You have 15 minutes to show me something good. Also, I'm calling it early, which I never do for London, but this is actually low-key agony for me right now. This does kind of look like a double top. Do you think this is going back down? Damn. We'll always have New York, exactly. Microwave?
Emotional damage.
That was so rude. Anyways. If it closed below 307, I'm selling. Well, I mean, here we got some decent movement. Another question for chat. What would you guys love to see in a journal app? Like a feature? A bit of a random thought, right? Because not everyone likes talking about their feelings. What if you just had like an emotions bar with like smiley faces or sad faces or fear or something like that? I don't know. Then you don't have to be like, it's like, what were you feeling? Maybe that's an idea. When it comes to journaling, you almost have the questions. What were you feeling? What did you like about it? What did you just, you know, not like about it? What worked? What didn't work? I don't know. So there's almost a list, so you don't have to remember the whole list all the time. I'd have one on Tradify. Bluetooth accounts. It does. You have to trade later tomorrow. I think I got something like that. Cause I'm yeah, my bad. Do 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 do. Okay. Hating this price action. Like it's moving, but the problem is it's doing seek and destroy. It's not trending. I finally got one payout, covered all losses, and one more if I stay clean these 2 days. Nice, Roshi, that's not bad. I've got that P&L calendar, equity curve, metrics, progress tracker, prop. Need something else I can add accounts so you can track progress on different accounts as well as all accounts. Sounds like you've pretty much got it handled in OGT. Damn. But I still need to work into the account and journal for each of I trade or just a screenshot with notes. Stop loss at 353. I'm gonna take a break. Cheers, Claude! Claudio! Enjoy! I'm waiting for this person. There we go. Well, they read it. Have not responded yet, so that's right. I'm gonna take a break. This must need to track progress. Oh yeah, also got a playbook if you use different strategies. Sorry, whenever I hear playbook, I just think of How I Met Your Mother. That's literally it. Spells have low-key been working out. Okay, that one wouldn't have worked out, so that's a lie. I'm gonna have a bit of an argument about that. Actually, okay, 5:36. Still nothing really happening. Who's in the short right now? Who's not? To be honest, when I write price levels and targets, I always forget what the trade even was or looked like. Miko, then what about just screenshots? Would the screenshot not help? Because yeah, you can kind of see what's happened. Never mind then. Long close my stop loss though, but there's going to be a rebound. I mean, it definitely hit that support level here. Hit this fair value gap. And now... yeah, but a video would look cooler and also not run all my trade journals by hand. Make Wabi, yeah, that makes it difficult. could see that, but it's not the same as seeing how the trade was. Here we do not go. Come on! Nope. Maybe push into 280. I was thinking of the short, but like I said, this price just actually sucks right now. I'd really like to be a bit old in terms of prefer pen and paper. Oh damn, Miko Avid, you old. Okay. It now has 5 minutes. Oh, I threatened it and it started moving, but it's not trending, it's just 5 minutes of the same rubbish. Yeah. 5 minutes to give us something good, please. Like, go down. Oh, Miko, be quiet. We're deep in the chop. Yeah, Louis, no, this is bad. This is very, very bad. You give a bow. First of all,
Emotional damage.
what the heck? Why? That was a cheap shot, OTT. Good grief. That was a solid cheap shot right there. Unnecessary. Goodness gracious. For an old soul then, damn. That was a cheap shot. That was rude. Okay, the charts have not gone so slowly before. Like, it feels like time is almost going backwards now. I guess I'm a grandpa. You know, that's how I sometimes feel, considered yet everyone's so mean, and to be fair, they call me basically a grandma, which is rude. Just because I wear glasses, I have to squint to see things. You know, my birth year starts with a 1. Mean? What's up, Frank? This low-key looks like it's gonna work out now. Let's see. Sometimes feel groggy. Proven wrong and stick around for another hour so you can catch the big move. I wish, Louis. Unfortunately, I can't. I'm 30 plus. Should I feel scared? Am I in a cell? I'm not in it, but this is where I would have wanted to place the cell, but I don't like this chop. When it's choppy like this, it doesn't respect anything I want it to respect, which is a pain in the butt. Shivering. Okay. You have 1 more minute. No, or 2 technically. 2 more minutes. Also, I'm calling it. I feel like it's getting worse ever since I gave it a timer. It's like, is it? Bet. This is low-key doing Mojo Jojo vibes. It's coiling. How long have I been growing my hair, or do you just keep it that length? No, I basically just... Louis, it just does its thing. I had a haircut so long ago. I need one. I desperately need one. My hair is so bad, but it's fine. Okay, last minute. Dun dun dun. I've been growing my hair since birth. Okay. Listen, yeah, smartass. I mean, that was a very good response, but that's not the point. Let's see. 5, 15, 14, 13. Watch it start going crazy now. 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nope. Okay. That's it. I'm calling it. Basically, Louis, I guess, yeah. Why Mojo Jojo? Oh, why call it Mojo Jojo? Oh, the one day I drew like an X. You know, I basically made it 2 trend lines coming together, so it looked like an X. And then with the X, for some reason, someone was like, "Isn't that the poison or whatever that was accidentally added to the Powerpuff Girls?" So the Powerpuff Girls came up, and then someone was like, "It's the Mojo Jojo." So that, I don't know, it was very basically just for that. What did I just... Okay. Basically, triangle breakout Mojo Jojo. Okay, I'm calling it. I'm calling it early, guys. I can't anymore with this price action. Hopefully New York gives us something good. Let's see. I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to press that like button. I mean, we got a little bit of green today. Better than nothing, right? Green is green. I will be back for New York. Okay. You guys are trading this. Trade safe. If you want discounts, you can use my code. But yeah, trade safe. Be good. I love you madly. Okay. Love you guys. Bye.